Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Chase Private Client for risk and protection tools step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Chase Private Client and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the sign in button. Click on the sign in button to access the login page. On the login page, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Ensure that both your username and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your username or password, click the appropriate link for recovery options. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Risk and Protection Tools. Click on that section to explore the available tools. Review the options and select the tools that meet your needs. Follow any additional prompts or guidelines to set up or utilize the tools. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Help section. You can also contact customer support for further assistance. When you are finished, make sure to log out for security purposes. Your session is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.